This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making Indonesian chicken satay for my daughter's school lunch. She has been asking for this since we came back from our Bali trip. Here are the ingredients for the chicken satay. We will need skinless, boneless chicken breast, Kecap Manis or sweet soy sauce, coconut milk, garlic that's finely chopped, salt, black pepper, and oil for grilling. Let's start off with the chicken. Cut the chicken up into about 2 cm pieces. To the chicken, we'll add the rest of the ingredients. That's the sweet soy sauce, the coconut milk, garlic that's been finely chopped, salt, and black pepper. Give all this a good mix. Then set this aside and allow it to marinate for 30 minutes to overnight. Next, let's do the dipping sauce. For the sauce, we will need sweet soy sauce or Kecap Manis, some shallots, tomato. We will only need about half of this tomato, chili, thinly sliced shallots, chili, but since this is for my daughter's school lunch, I'm going to leave the heat out of this sauce. Cut the tomatoes into a small dice. Remove the seeds, as these seeds will produce a lot of liquid, especially if you are keeping it for a longer period of time. Mix all this really well. Back to the chicken. After marinating, skewer the chicken. I am using the shorter bamboo skewers here. These are the ones that they use for Japanese food. You can of course use the longer ones, but I'm using the shorter ones because they fit into the lunchbox a lot better. Now, there are two ways to cook these satay. Firstly, you can put them in the oven, use the boiler function to grill them, or you can pan fry them, just like what I'm doing today. Put your pan over a medium heat. When the pan is hot, put in some oil. When the oil is hot, add in your chicken skewers. Cook this for about 1 to 2 minutes till you get some charring at the bottom. Brush some oil on the top before flipping them over. Then cook the other side for another minute or so. You may want to turn the heat down if your chicken has too much charring. There's lots of sugar in the soy sauce, so it will turn black rather quickly. When they are done, remove. I'll cut some cucumbers here because she needs the vegetables. I'll cut the cucumber in half, then into quarters. Just like the tomatoes, I'm removing the seeds here. These seeds will produce liquid if you keep it for too long. Next, I'll cut them diagonally into short strips. It's a good idea to pack the sauce separately from the rice and the meat. So, I'm using this little sauce container here for the satay dipping sauce. For the final touch, sprinkle the satay with some white sesame seeds. This is Indonesian Chicken Satay for my daughter's school lunch.